Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoCAD practice tutorial. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the given 2D sketch in AutoCAD software. Before going to draw 2D or 3D sketches, we need to do few important settings like unit settings, dimension style manager settings, object snap settings, limit settings, UCS icon settings, zoom settings. After this you can draw the given. After this you can start your sketch. Okay, once carefully observe the given 2D sketch. uh, Major part is drawn. Major part is like circles, so you can construct those type of circles by using circle tool. Here center is same, but radius or diameter are different, so this type of circles are called concentric circle. That means center is same, radius is different. Okay, first construct this small circle. This small circle diameter is 22 mm. Here is not mentioned. You can uh, take the small circle diameter is 22 mm. So with the help of circle tool, or you can type the command in the command window. You can type C enter. C enter. First locate one point in the screen, then move the cursor to away from the center, and it is asking that specify the radius of circle or diameter. We know the diameter, so you can type D enter. The diameter is 22 enter. Then draw the next circle. This diameter is 32 mm. So click enter button. Specify the same center point. Just move the cursor away to that center point. D enter. 32 enter. Then draw this axis circle. That circle diameter is 58 mm. Again click enter button. Here the space or enter button for repeat the previous command. Click enter button. Specify the same center point. Just move the cursor away to that center point and give the diameter D enter. 58 enter. Then draw the this circle. This circle diameter is 78 mm. Click enter button. From the same center point, move the cursor to away that circle. Diameter 78 enter. Then draw this circle. This circle diameter is 85 mm. Click enter button. Same center point, move the cursor away to that center point. Diameter D enter. 85 enter. Okay, this is the way to you can construct these circles. Here the this circle is line type is different. So this is the long dash dot line. So you need to change the this line type. Go to this properties toolbar and change the line type. So click on other, load that line type from this line type manager window. Click on load. It's showing different types of line types. Among these I am choosing ISO long dash dot. Then click on OK. Now again select this one. Change this global scale factor. You can take 0.5. That is based upon your requirement. You can increase or decrease this scale factor. Then click on OK. Now again select this circle. Previously you can added that line type from this properties toolbar. You can select this one. That line type is changed from continuous line to long dash dot line. Then after this you can construct one vertical center line. Then construct this shape and you can apply the array with respect to this center point. Here these shapes are 6 parts are there with respect to this center point. First you need to construct one vertical center line with the help of line tool. L enter. From this center point draw one vertical center line up to this point, up to this point. Then construct one circle here. This small circle diameter is 14. So 6 holes 14 die. That means these all are equal dimensions. So first take circle tool. From this center point draw the circle. This circle diameter D enter. 14 1 4 enter. Next also draw these two lines. So you can offset this This thickness is also not mentioned in this figure. Actually, this width is 6 mm. Please note down this width is 6 mm. So offset this vertical line towards left side and right side with 3 mm offset. O enter, 3 enter. Select this vertical line, click left side and again select this line and click right side. Now remove the unwanted lines by using trim tool. TR double enter. Now remove these 3 lines. Zoom this figure and also remove here. Next also remove this line. Next also remove this one. Also remove this one. Okay, just draw that shape here. Next apply the array tool. AR enter, AR enter, AR double enter, AR enter. Select this one, this shape. Now click enter button. It's showing 3 different types of array: rectangular, path, polar. Here I'm choosing polar. Polar means the shape is arranged in angular manner. So I'm selecting polar with respect to this center point. You can see here that shape is arrayed with respect to this center point. After this, you can erase or trim these unwanted curves by using trim command. TR double enter. So remove, trim these unwanted curves. Okay, after this you need to construct this portion. The distance between this center line to this center line is 57 mm. So take line tool from this center point, L enter. From this center point draw the vertical line. So you can turn on ortho mode. That vertical line length is 57, 57 enter. This is the axis line. So you can change the line type, long dash dot line. Now you can construct these two circles: small circle diameter 12, major circle diameter 22. C enter. From diameter D enter, 12 enter. Then click enter button. From the same center point draw the diameter 22, enter. Okay, after this you can also construct these bottom two circles. The distance between this point to this point is 104 minus 47, that 57, that is 47. So take line tool, L enter. From this center point draw the vertical center line, that is 104 minus 57, that is 47. 47 enter. Then draw the then draw the right side, that is 90 by 245. Yes. So you can change this line type, that is ISO long dash dot. Okay, after this you can construct these two circles: small circle diameter 18 mm, this major circle diameter 36 mm. C enter. From this center point small circle diameter 18, D enter, 18 enter. Then draw the major circle, that is 36, D enter, 36 enter. Once carefully observe this image. These two circles are mirror with respect to this one. These two circles are mirror with respect to this vertical center line. So you can apply the mirror. No need to draw again. So choose mirror tool, MI enter. Select these two circles. Click enter button. Specify the first point of mirror line and second point of mirror line. Enter. Then you can join these quadrants, the circle to quadrants. So take line tool, join from this quadrant to this quadrant. Okay, after this you need to draw this curve. That curve radius is 20. So with the help of tangent radius, you can draw this one. C enter, choose tangent radius. So select this circle and this circle. Radius is 20, enter. Now remove the unwanted curve by using trim, TR double enter. After this, you can also remove this one, TR double enter, this curve. After this, you need to construct this curve. This curve radius is 80 mm. So you can apply the same procedure, circle C enter, choose tangent radius, select this curve and that circle and this circle. Radius is 80 mm, 80 enter. Once again, repeat the same procedure, C enter, tangent radius, select this circle and this circle, radius 80 mm, 80 enter. Based upon selection, that curve will be, that circle will be generated this side or that side. So be careful of selection of these two circles. So remove the unwanted curves by using trim, TR double enter. Select, delete this one and also trim this one and this one and this one. Also trim this one. Next delete this remaining half circle. Okay, you can once again carefully observe this image. This curve is also symmetrical with respect to this vertical center line. So apply the mirror, MI enter, select these two curves, these three curves, apply the mirror with respect to this vertical center line. Now click enter button. Okay, I hope this sketch is completed. Okay, after this you need to give the dimensions. Okay, before going to give the dimensions, I need to apply the thickness to this entire sketch. Next, you can also draw the center lines. You can extend this center line and also extend the center line to right side. Next, also draw the one center line at the midpoint, at the center of circle. L enter from this point. Also extend this line to left side, then up, change the line type. Okay, after this you can apply the line type to this entire sketch except these axis lines. This one, hold shift button and select these center lines. Okay, then apply the line type, then apply the line weight 0.30. Okay, if it is not showing, you can enable the line weight in the bottom, show or hide line weight, turn on. You can see here. Also you can disable to this one by layer. Then give the dimensions. First you can give the bottom dimension with the help of linear dimension, DLI enter. Select this midpoint and this midpoint, drag to the bottom side. Next give the this vertical dimension 57 104. Repeat the same command, click enter button. From this center point to this center point, that is 57 mm. Then give the dimension to this circle center point to this circle center point, that is 104. Okay, after this you can give the diameters. Shortcut key for diameter DDI, enter. Okay, this small circle 12 mm, click enter button. This one 22 mm, then give this bottom one, click enter button. This is 36, then this is the small one is two holes dia 18 mm. Just you can double click on this one, you can edit the text. Two holes 18 dia. Just you can move this to the bottom. Two holes 18 dia. Next DRA, radius, to give to this one R20. Next one, this curve, click enter button. This is R80. Then give the diameter to DDI. This small circle diameter 22. Then this circle diameter 32. Then this circle diameter 58. Then this circle diameter 78. Then this circle diameter 85. Next give this circle diameter, this one 6 holes 14 dia. Just you can double click on this text. 6 holes 14 dia. Okay, I hope I have given all dimension for this sketch. You can see it. You can also draw the one vertical center line to these two circles with the help of line tool. L enter. L enter from this center point to, just you can extend, turn on ortho, change this line type, L enter from this center point to, select these two center lines, change the line type, ISO dash dot. Okay, this is the final sketch. Okay, I hope this video is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.